On Sunday, February 25, 2024, at 5:47 a.m. local time, GMT+13, a magnitude 4.2 earthquake occurred 118 kilometers, 73 miles, offshore New Zealand. The earthquake was 359 kilometers, 223 miles deep and was not felt, or at least not reported. I felt this earthquake. This earthquake is reported by GeoNet, NZ, Seismic Commission and Geological Survey, New Zealand. This earthquake occurred 13 days after a magnitude 4.5 earthquake occurred on Monday the 12th of February 2024 at 1:29 a.m. GMT+13 at 69 kilometers, 43 miles, occurred in the northeast. Subscribe and share our channel to watch more new videos. Thanks.